Beyond the geopolitical significance of the arbitral victory, Pag-asa Island is proving its growth as a thriving civilian community. This as highlighted by Defense Secretary Gilberto Teodoro Jr. during his visit there, where he also pledged to serve as godfather for the wedding of a couple stationed there. Patrick De Jesus has the full story.
Since 2022, Philippine Air Force Airman 2nd Class Clyde Enriquez has been frequently deployed to Pag-asa Island in the West Philippine Sea. During his reassignment there last year, he met public school teacher Lucky Marie Bolante, who was then newly assigned to the area. This was also when their love story began to develop on Pag-asa Island.
Wala po talaga akong balak mag-boyfriend dito.
Kaya lang,
Opo, makulit.
nagustuhan sa kanya. Pagiging stricta niya, stricta kasi yung tumingin eh. Pag-asa talaga eh, nagbibigay ng kalayaan sa atin. Kalayaan magmahal. Well lang.
Clyde and Lucky are set to get married this year. Defense Secretary Gilberto Teodoro Jr. offered to be their godfather after learning about the couple's love story.
Sana yung anak nila dito rin mapanganak. At sa, kita mo, si ma'am mo, nagtatatawa, kita mo, sinumbong na estudyante sa akin na yan ang boyfriend, madam.
According to the secretary, who visited Pag-asa Island yesterday for the 10th anniversary of the Philippines' arbitral victory on the West Philippine Sea, this only proves that beyond being a military outpost, the area has a vibrant community.
Importante din nakadalaw tayo dito because rather than a purely security perspective, nakikita natin it's a habitation perspective already.
Teodoro directed the AFP Western Command to create a task force that will coordinate with concerned government agencies to further fast-track the delivery of services to Pag-asa Island and strengthen the civilian population of around 500 residents.
Ang kalaban natin dito panahon kasi seasonal ang pasok eh. So we have to find ways and means to fast-track during times na pwede.
The celebration of the 2016 Arbitral Award anniversary continues, with Teodoro leading the flag-raising ceremony in Cebu City this Monday. Cebu City is one of the local government units that have passed a resolution declaring July 12 as West Philippine Sea Victory Day.
Cebu is part of the Philippines. We are not going to alienate, and I personally am offended when we have Chinese harassing our fishermen.
Teodoro supports making the Philippines' victory in the arbitral award against China a holiday, but suggested expanding it as a National Maritime Victory Day.
So that it is inclusive for the full maritime interest of the Philippines. Mind you, this legal victory is very important, but it is only one step of the several steps we need to take at the soonest possible time.
Patrick De Jesus for The Nation.